Oxford, located in Oxfordshire, England, is renowned as the home of the University of Oxford, the oldest university in the English-speaking world. The city, situated at the confluence of the River Thames and the River Cherwell, has a rich history dating back to Saxon times. Originally a strategic settlement, it grew in significance during the Norman period, with notable landmarks like Oxford Castle and St. Michael's Church. Oxford is famed for its stunning skyline, dominated by Gothic towers and spires, primarily belonging to the university. Many of the colleges, such as University College, Balliol and Merton, date back to the 13th century. The city also boasts beautiful gardens and historical buildings that attract tourists from around the world. The city has witnessed significant events, including the English Civil War, where it served as the Royalist headquarters. In the 19th and 20th centuries, Oxford developed industrially, with major printing, publishing, and car manufacturing industries. Today, it's not only a center for education, but also a vibrant city with a thriving economy, including the fields of science and technology. Visitors can enjoy its historical sites, tranquil riversides, and world-class institutions,